Hi guys, my name is Whitney Eden and welcome to my first ever YouTube channel in life. I am so excited. Thank you so much for joining me. I make videos about being a mum, a home educator and a homemaker. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that I do with my toddler every single day. So they're really simple things that I do with my toddler every day. It creates such a close bonding experience and it also helps with their learning and development. So 5 things that I do with my toddler every single day. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Okay, lovely. So the number one thing I do every single day is reading. We actually read more than once a day because my toddler really enjoys this activity. Reading aloud to your baby is a wonderful shared activity that you can continue for years to come, and it's a very important form of stimulation. Now, you may be wondering about the benefits of reading to your baby. It sometimes can seem like such a task, and you can think, oh, they have no idea what I'm even saying. What is the point of this? Well, actually, there's so much point, and they understand a lot more than we give them credit for. Now, reading is very good because, yep, you've guessed it, it helps them learn how to read. People think that phonics is the only way that your baby learns how to read. But there are actually a lot of words in the English language that cannot be taught using phonics, such as the word the. Because it can't be sounded out. Children learn it through recognition alone, and so an activity such as reading will help them to recognize those words when you're reading books over and over and over again.
Billy zooms right off again to see what he can see. It's Rodney Red, he proudly says, our wide-eyed number 3. 1, 2, 3.
So in our household, we tend to read in the morning. I do a devotional with her in the morning, and we also do a devotional before we go to bed, so she gets to read then. But her favorite fun book she gets to read during the day. We read once after breakfast, and we also read another time during the day after her afternoon nap. If you'd like an in-depth video of our reading schedule, how we read together, how I plan it, and things that we read together, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to show you guys exactly how our reading schedule is and things we do when we read together.
Close your eyes and count to 5. My hiding turn's begun.
Okay, so the next thing I use every single day are flashcards. Apologies, this footage actually did start from the letter A, but it was so blurry that I had to get rid of it. But flashcards have literally been my golden ticket for my child's learning and development. Literally, I love flashcards. I've used flashcards to teach her numbers, letters, colours, the alphabet, you name it. They are so easy peasy to make and create. They really take no effort at all. And you can just quickly go through each card, saying it out loud, pointing to it, and honestly, they will just soak up the information. They're really little sponges. It's amazing how much children actually soak up the information. Flashcards are the way to go, guys, at this age. I can't say any more about flashcards than flashcards. Literally, my child has learnt her alphabet and numbers through flashcards.
Well done. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 0. Well done. Shadow. Are you chasing your shadow? Shadow. Wow. That's a nice.
Okay, guys, so the third thing we do is outdoor play. I'm so passionate about this one, guys. I really, really, truly believe that children need to be outside, taking in the fresh air, with mud underneath their feet, learning about the world around them. Physical play, playing outside, helps children practice their physical abilities. Exercise such as running, jumping, skipping, and playing ball not only strengthen their little muscles, but can also help them with gross motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and overall health and well-being. We tend to do activities like little treasure hunts where I hide the balls in the field. They're different coloured balls, and I say, can you find the red ball for mummy and bring it back? Can you find the yellow ball for mummy? Of course, I hide it easily. I mean, she's only 1.5, so nothing too technical, but we love those kind of games.
There she is! Mummy's hiding. There she is! Mummy's hiding. There she is!
Okay, so fourthly, we implement independent play. There are so many benefits of independent play. Honestly, I've tried to record this so many times and I run out of time because there's so much to say about it. So I think I'm going to do a separate video about the benefits of independent play. But I'll just mention that independent play is usually with toys that don't make a lot of noise. They're silent toys like blocks, or as you can see here, Lego, and previously you saw her drawing. Things that really develop her creativity and her imagination. And those are the things that you want to implement daily for your toddler. Again, I'll do a separate video all about independent play and the different points of how to do it and why it's beneficial. Check out this sensory play that I created. I'm so proud of it. It's called Dino Land. So it had a theme and everything. So the fifth thing is sensory play. I'm sure you guys have guessed it. So from birth through early childhood, children use their senses to explore and try to make sense of the world around them. They do this by touching, taste, smelling, seeing, moving and hearing. Children and adults learn best and retain the most information when they engage their senses. Like, many of my favorite memories are associated with one or more of my senses. For instance, the smell of a summer campfire, or a song that I memorized the lyrics to with my best friend. So sensory play, it supports language development, cognitive growth, motor skills, problem solving and social interaction. Sensory play aids in developing and enhancing memory functioning. Sensory play is also great for calming an anxious or frustrated child. It helps children learn important sensory attributes such as hot, cold, sticky, dry. So sensory play is really, really important. There are many versions of sensory play. I mean, this is a dry one, but we love water play. We do finger paints, edible finger paints, which I make. The edible finger paint. That's really easy to do. Again, if you'd like me to do maybe 10 sensory play activity ideas that I do, please leave a comment down below and I'll do that.
I've always wanted to do that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Anything that you didn't understand in this video, I'll be happy to just explain and, you know, hopefully bring more clarity to it. So thank you so much once again. Bye. Look how much fish you've made.